Yes, customers should absolutely sign a refusal form whenever they decline a recommended repair, service, or safety-related work. This simple piece of paper protects both the homeowner and the contractor by creating a clear record of what was offered and what was turned down. Think of a refusal form like a receipt for a decision instead of a purchase. When a contractor finds a problem, like a cracked pipe or a faulty wire, and the homeowner decides not to fix it right away, the form documents that the issue was explained clearly and the choice not to act was made by the customer, not the professional. This matters because if something goes wrong later, like a leak causing water damage or a wire causing a fire, the form shows the contractor did their job by warning the homeowner. Something most people do not realize is that refusal forms can actually protect the homeowner too, since it creates a paper trail showing exactly what was found, which can be useful for insurance claims or future negotiations with buyers if the home is sold. A good form should include the date, a description of the issue, the recommended fix, and the estimated cost, all in plain language everyone can understand. Always ask for a copy of any form you sign and keep it somewhere safe like a folder or a digital photo on your phone. One common mistake is signing without reading the details, so always take a minute to actually understand what you are agreeing to before putting your name down. Another misconception is thinking a refusal form means you can never get the work done later, when really it just documents your choice at that specific moment in time, and you can always call the contractor back. People also forget that vague language on these forms can cause confusion, so always ask the contractor to be specific about the risks involved instead of accepting generic wording. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.